Okay, my fantastic fourth graders, this is Eureka Math, Grade 4, Module 3, Lesson 27 with Mrs. Fuska. Okay, we're going to continue on dividing. Today we're going to divide a 3-digit number by a 1-digit divisor and understand the place value concept. I think we're going to go pretty fast because you guys are really getting this. Okay, I want to just do this step by step and see what we're doing in the long division and how it correlates to our place value chart. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have 423 things and I want to divide them into groups of 3. Okay, first I'm going to divide up my hundreds and see if I have any left over. Okay, everybody gets one 100 and I have one 100 left over. So I'm going to regroup that to 10 tens. Okay, so let's look at our long division and see how we did that. First of all, I have 4 hundreds and I divided them and each person gets 1. 1 times 3 is 3, and then I subtract and then I bring down my 2, and that shows you that I now have 12 tens. Okay, so now I'm going to take my tens and I'm going to group them equally between 3 groups. And yay, the 12 tens divide equally. Every person gets 4 tens. So let me do that over here. We have 12 divided by 3. Everybody gets 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And we have 0 left over. Now we're going to go to our 3 and the ones, and we're going to divide that. 1, 2, 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And we have 0 left over. Okay, this one is really similar. We have 783 divided by 3. So let me set that up on my place value chart. Okay, I have my 700s. I'm going to divide them equally between three parts. Each group gets 200s. So and then I have 1 left over here. So I'm going to have to regroup that to my tens. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm going to pause and do that on my long division so you can see what's happening. Okay, here's where I'm at. I have 18 tens now, and I need to divide those up equally into my 3 groups. And just like on my place value, on my long division, I have 18 tens. Okay, everybody gets 6. 6, 6, and 6 is 18. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. I get 0. I bring down my 3, and then I go over here and divide my 3 ones. And each person gets 261, whatever. Okay, I'm just going to do one more with you, and then you can go on to your pages. Okay, I have 500s and I want to divide them equally. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, I'm going to have 2 left over. So that's not a problem because I'm going to come over here and I'll have to just do 20 because 200, when I decompose those into tens, I have 20 tens. So I'm going to stop and do that. Now I have 24 tens. So I'm going to stop and do that on my long division so you can see where we are in the process. Okay, so now you see over here my long division, I also have 24 tens. So I'm going to do the same thing. 24 divided by 3, I'm going to divide them up equally. Okay, 24 divided by 3 is 8. I give everybody 8, each group. 8 times 3 is 24. I didn't have any tens left over that I had to regroup, so I have 0 tens left over. I bring down my 6 ones. I divide those up equally. Everybody gets 2. That will be 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And then I subtract, and I have a remainder of 0. Okay, today you have 3 pages to do, but all you have to do is do these 3 pages, and there's only 2 problems on each page. So you're going to finish page 249, 250, and 251 in your Succeed book, put it in your clear folder, and bring it to school.